a graduate of Spring 2020, is being awarded a silver medal for securing a CGPA of 3.96. Her father will be receiving a medal on her behalf. Daniel Fabi from the BS Computer Science, graduating batch of Spring 2019, is being awarded a silver medal for securing a CGPA of 3.5. Mohammad Omar Sheikh from the BS Computer Science and graduate of Fall 2019 is being awarded a silver medal for securing a CGPA of 3.67. Shahryar Malik Lalani from the BS Computer Science, graduating batch of Spring 2020 is being awarded a silver medal for securing a CGPA of 3.7.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank our chief guest for distributing gold and silver medals to the meritorious graduates. This brings us to the end of the award of medals to academic high achievers. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite our chief guest of today's ceremony, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Foreign Minister of Pakistan, to come on the rostrum and deliver this speech.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah Sahab, Minister for Universities and Boards, Mr. Ismail Rahu Sahab, Vice Chancellor, DHA Suffa University, Administrator DHA Karachi, dignitaries, distinguished guests, faculty, degree recipients, and most important of all, your proud parents. Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a pleasure and a privilege to be here today at the third convocation ceremony of DHA Suffa University to honor the academic achievements of its graduates. To the graduates, I say that you should be very proud of what you have achieved. Graduation is a huge milestone, but it is also a start of a journey. It is the passage into adulthood, where you become responsible for the decisions that you take. The decisions you will take will not only define your lives, but also the destiny of Pakistan. I remember today one of the last words my grandfather, Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, wrote to my mother, Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, from his death cell. He said, every generation had a central concern, whether to end war, erase racial injustice, or improve the conditions of working people. Today's youth demand a government that speaks directly and honestly to its citizens. I am also reminded of the words of Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto in June 1998, when she said, a new generation has been born, a generation whose outlook has been shaped by global trends and influenced by the revolution brought by the global information breakthroughs. Let us keep pace with this generation. This is a generation which demands merit, efficiency, and transparency. A generation ready to compete with the rest of the world. A generation rejecting paternalistic forms of government. A generation demanding equal participation in decision making. You are the youth of today, and you demand and deserve a government that speaks directly and honestly to you. The challenges today are serious. Rising inflation, deepening economic crises, rising income inequality, polarization and divisiveness in society being a few of the most significant ones. We have a choice. We can be intimidated by these challenges, or we can be inspired to overcome them. The youth of Pakistan have never been intimidated by challenges, and inshallah we will overcome. Fear is not an option. Failure is not an option. We will succeed, inshallah. Of the many crises we confront, the most dangerous is the attempt to sow hatred amongst us. Toxic polarization, incitement to violence, demagoguery designed to distract us from the real work that needs to be done by us together and done by you, being the frontliners in leadership roles, in charge of your destinies and the destiny of this country. We have always rejected the politics of hate and preferred the politics of reconciliation and the welfare of the people. I am not interested in attacking people or provoking people to attack others, but to create policies that generate more opportunity for everybody, for the students, workers, laborers, farmers, women, policies that strengthen the middle class and give more people the chance to climb up, create more good jobs and reduce poverty and educate more children and give more families the security of healthcare and the protection from crime. I don't want our politics to revolve around fighting personalities, parties, or institutions. Our politics should be about fighting poverty, inflation, unemployment, and despondency. We need to compete with the world, and the world today is a world of artificial intelligence, digital technology, and cutting-edge research. We need to create a modern, inclusive, and democratic Pakistan. This is a responsibility that all of us have. The responsibility to create a Pakistan that belongs to everyone and not just the few. The best investment that we can make is on you, the young people. You are the hope. You are not only the future, but you are also the present. There are people who wish to mislead you, who want to sell anger, hopelessness, and violence. Reject them. They wish you and this country ill. There is work to be done. Your destiny is progress. Your destiny is prosperity. Your destiny is empowerment. Civility has to prevail over brutality. Reason and knowledge must prevail over ignorance. Brotherhood has to prevail over division. And the Pakistan People's Party has never lost hope, has never lost faith. Faith in Allah the Almighty, faith in Pakistan, faith in democracy, and faith in the power of young people. You will now have to decide the values that will guide your life. Let those values be mutual respect, patriotism, integrity, tolerance, and excellence. Stability has to precede prosperity and growth. Stability demands unity, and that we be Democrats and reject hate, terrorism, and political and ethnic prejudice. You will enter the job market soon, and my priority is to create a job market for you which does justice to your huge talents and rewards your hard work. A job market where you don't merely survive but thrive, where your generations rise to the top and become CEOs, successful entrepreneurs, academics, and researchers. Your possibilities not limited, your horizons broad. You will become the face of Pakistan, of a unified Pakistan, of a Pakistan for all. The youth today is equipped with the knowledge of the world, of science, of humanities, and knowledge triumphs over evil. Demagogues have attempted to mislead the youth. However, they have failed, as they always have done, since our youth is too intelligent to fall in that trap. Politics of this country belongs to the youth. 65